So, as longtime viewers of the channel will know, I have a saltwater aquarium addiction. Yeah, we'll call it an addiction. And one of my oldest fish that I've had the longest is that guy right there. He's an Atlantic or Caribbean blue tang, and he'll get to be about 9 inches long. And he's supposed to be in a tank of about 150 gallons. The tank he's currently in is only 75. And he's become aggressive toward the other fish. I've got a little angelfish, a one-spot foxface, a little saddleback puffer, a couple of clowns. Got a starfish over there that's kind of hiding. Can't really see him too well. My little mandarin goby there, she's beautiful. I love that fish so much. And the only reef tank type stuff I have is the anemone. I got it so that the clowns could host it, but they're not interested. So I guess I'll just kind of have an anemone. And then I have two urchins. I have that white guy and that little purple girl there. I've also got a little Midas blenny that is hiding back there. He's actually kind of a bluish color. Then there's that little one spot or spotted dotty back, the orange and blue kind. Anyway, changes are coming. You can see the starfish better from here if it'll focus. Come on, focus, focus. No, it's not gonna focus. So anyway, these guys are all getting a big upgrade as soon as that is ready for them. That's a 150 gallon cube tank. I bought it used. My wife found it on Facebook Marketplace. That's a $5,000 system. It's a little older light, but originally it was $5,000 for all this. Little programmable light, a sump, which I don't know if we're going to be able to see. No, I don't think we'll be able to see that. I've got an auto top off system on it, but this is going to be absolutely nuts. It's going to be incredible. It doesn't look as big as it is because it's a cube and not a rectangle. And in doing research on the tank after buying it, I found out that the tang, Jimmy, they generally like longer tanks so they have more room to swim. So he may still not be happy in here. If that's the case, he and I will part ways. If he continues to pick on the other fish, he and I will part ways. I will sell him to somebody, and I'll get some fish that will be happy. Because while I like having him, and he's a fun fish to look at and watch, he's not happy. And I want happy fish. So, y'all hold on, because here in just a minute, we're going to fast forward a couple days until I've got all the fish in there. But I wanted to show you what it looks like beforehand compared to what they're living in now. New. Old. I think they're going to love it. What do y'all think? So there it is, guys. There's the tank with the fish in it. I bought a whole bunch of new fish. We've got our blue-headed wrasse. I've got a big old red starfish. I had these clowns. Jimmy the tang. He seems to like being on camera. Hey, Jimmy. Got a new urchin. There's the blue-headed wrasse again. I've also got back there Uma Naka or whatever it's called, triggerfish, and a new Naso tang. Then I got 2 naked chocolate starfish. I'm leaving them in the breeder box until they've been in for a couple of days, and then I can release them, because that way these little guys can get used to them being there. And what some of y'all may not know is triggerfish are extremely territorial, or not triggerfish, clownfish are extremely territorial. And if I just drop those 2 guys in, these 2 would kill them. So by putting them in the box for 2 days, hopefully these guys will not hurt them once we get them out. Got my neon dotty back there, my fox face. There's my little, where'd she go? There she is. Little dragonette Blenny, I think. What's she called, dear? Mandarin Goby, that's it. So yeah, my intention was to show you guys a lot more of putting this together and filling it with water and putting the fish in it, but yeah, that didn't happen. So, till next time. There she is. Pretty little thing. Can't focus on her. Oh well. See you next time.